How to use File Manager in Website Panel. This tutorial assumes you are already logged into Website Panel. Now let's learn how to use the File Manager. Click on the plan for which you would like to access the File Manager. Click File Manager. This interface allows you to manage all of your files you have uploaded. You can upload files by clicking this button. Click Choose File to find the file you want to upload. Click the file you want to upload, then click Open. Click Upload. Your file now shows up in the list, and you can see the file name, size, and date it was last modified. You can also create files. Enter a name for your file, including the file extension. You can also enter optional content for your file. Click Create when you are ready. The new file now shows up in the list as well. You can also create a new folder to organize your files. Enter a name for your folder and click Create. You can edit the name of the folder you just added. Enter a new name for your folder and click Rename. The folder has been renamed. The File Manager also allows you to create a Microsoft Access database. Enter a name for your database and click Create. Success! Our database now shows up in the file list. File Manager allows you to zip a folder for easy storage or downloading. Select the folder you want to zip. Now click Zip. Enter a name for your archive and click Zip. Success! You can download your new zip file by clicking on the file name. You can also unzip your file by selecting it and clicking Unzip. To copy a file, first select it, then choose Copy. To choose a destination folder, click in the text box. You can now browse for the folder you want to copy the file to. Click Copy. You can view the copied file by clicking on the folder. We can see that it appears in the list. If you decide you don't want the file here after all, you can select it and click Delete. Click Delete to confirm file deletion. Click Home to go to the top directory. You can move the file instead by selecting it and clicking Move. You will need to browse for the destination folder as before. Click Move. You can go to the folder to view the moved file. The file can now be seen in the file list. Click Home to return to the top directory. You can edit the permissions of any file or folder by clicking this icon. You can allow read and write permissions for the file or folder. Selecting this box automatically changes all the items in the folder to these settings. Click Set Permissions. You can also edit any file with this icon next to it. Scroll down to see your disk space. You will need to calculate disk space if you've made any recent changes which haven't been updated yet. Click OK. Your disk space now shows up. Note that it may take some time to appear depending on the number of files you have uploaded. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use the File Manager in Website Panel.